Under normal circumstances, it takes about 6.5 hours to drive from Asheville, North Carolina, to Louisville, Kentucky. But we're about to introduce you to an artist who's been to hell and back to get to this year's St. James Court Art Show. Last week, like so many others in Asheville, North Carolina, Maria Andrade Troya was having a normal day until she got a message from a friend.
Tuesday morning, one of my good friends who's always watching the weather, because we hike a lot, texted me and said, "Are you watching this?" And I said, "Oh, no." I went to look immediately, and that was the moment that I was like, oh, no.
That text was about the approaching Hurricane Helene that dropped about 14 inches of rain on Asheville, causing the French Broad River to crest. Maria's two-story studio in the River Arts District of Asheville can be seen here, buried more than halfway up underwater.
I lost my kiln, which was in the second floor of the building, which also flooded about 2.5, 3 feet. All my glazes are contaminated, my dry materials, and all my clay.
Maria estimates she lost about $9,000 worth of supplies, and that doesn't include the loss of her studio. Due to quick action, Maria was able to save her finished work that she will be selling this weekend at the St. James Court Art Show. As for Maria, she feels sitting with her work and potentially seeing some familiar faces might be a therapeutic end to a devastating week.
We've been there. I've been in that shop for almost 17 years, so hundreds of people have walked in through my door, so I'm assuming somebody will come and say hi, and I'll be grateful for that.
After so much loss, I asked Maria, what's next? And she was honest. She said it's going to take time to restock and find a new studio, but that she will never stop creating. In Old Louisville, Sam Carter, WLKY News.